what's up, what's up? It's Darnell, and I'm coming at you with a lace frontal sewing tutorial. Now here we have my lovely model Jada here, and look at all that hair. And so now what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and start off and braiding her down. For the frontal sewing, I like to use the straight back method for my frontal and for my wig installs.
Scheming, looting, hide your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you.
Look at that, flat, neat braids for the sew-in.
Nobody do body like you do.
Alright, now I'm going to go in and use my Got To Be gel to slick her edges and any hair that I couldn't braid down and get out of the way.
You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do. In the top tier ride with you, I feel like Scarface. Like that white bitch with the bob, I'll be your main one. Let's take this argument back up to my place. Sex remind you I'm not violent on you day one. We had shit, yeah. It was magic, yeah. Smash and grab shit, yeah. Nasty habits.
Okay, now that my girl is all braided down and slicked back, it's time to go in with the wig cap. Now I love using the HD wig caps. They are so much better in my opinion for your bald cap method.
How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Alright, now you want to go in with your adhesive and you're going to smoothen a thick layer on the perimeter of your hairline. Not on your hairline, but like in the front of your hairline.
Are you blaming on me if you was married one time? Are you blaming on me when I'm the man one time?
I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment?
Alright, now that that's dry, you want to go in and cut off the front of the bald cap. Make sure you try to cut as close as you can to the glue.
How can I snooze and miss the moment? You're just too important. Nobody do body like you do. You do.
Look at her. Look at her, mama.
Now I'm going in with my Kiss Cream Foundation that matches her skin.
Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew.
Alright, now here's the part where I go in and I make sure that the frontal kind of fits her hairline and matches her hairline. I go in and also make sure that the frontal is matching her skin as much as possible.
Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Wait, your bed, you can sleep in mine. Yeah, let's make it happen, girl, I need some time. Speaking of time, who's...
Alright, now that that's done, you want to go in and clean her skin. I'm cleaning her skin because you don't want to put any adhesive on a dirty surface or try to lay your frontal on a dirty surface because 9 times out of 10, the installment won't last long.
On me just like you ride the elliptical. She said I'm trying to keep it tight for my nigga. Girl, I like your last nigga. All I need is mental. You know I'll work you out, get you right with your physical. Always just another interlude. Asking all the questions.
All right, so now I'm gonna go in and use the Erica J Hold Me Down Skin Guard.
You work at Kohl's, you in dental school. Wife and now you folding clothes, cooking dinner too. Young tiller, girl, I'm known as Pink Griffey too. It's only right that.
And then after that, I'm gonna follow up with the Erica J Hold Me Down adhesive. I use 3 layers, sometimes 4 layers, depending on how long the client plans to wear the unit or wear the sew-in or anything like that. So yeah, it just for the hold, it's up to your client. 3, sometimes 4, sometimes even 5. So just up to you and the client.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Whoa, whoa. Huh. Girl, I know you feel me, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, so much to live for, you, baby. Whoa. Let's not rush into it now. Let's not.
All right, now it's time to apply the frontal. I'm going in with my edge brush to make sure I brush in the frontal and I make sure I smoothen everything out and I make sure I push all the flyaways back. You don't want any flyaways inside the glue. It makes a messy install.
Ain't it safe to say the kid get older? Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these records too deep.
Okay, now after I set the frontal in, I'm going to go in with my even lace spray. This is like the best adhesive spray, I could think of right now, honestly. All right, now I'm going in putting a band on. You want to make sure you leave your band on no less than 10 minutes. All right, it's been 10 minutes. Now it's time to go in and take the band off and cut the lace.
You got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me $100. Again, hit after he call me very fun. But it's Christmas, I bought everybody. Smoke guns and covers and F.
And just look at their hairline, like, oh my God, bro.
She suck it and swallow, I stick it and she feel it in a gut. Nigga don't work on my problems, we second up, wallow and gualo and try get it mega book. See them triple little nigga, best watch your stuff. This top shelf, got 40 designer belts. OPF, look at the new BM up. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. And you talk of the client.
Alright, so now I go ahead and I use an eyebrow razor to cut my excess lace off. I don't like going in with scissors. It kind of makes it doesn't blend the lace in for me,
But they got me to his temple, the color spit the flavor to the temple. I am not a killer, but I'm tempting. I'm spending rate 5,000 to a 50. Oh, he ain't up. I fought with slides and I'm gonna bust. He can't put on that drip, he ain't one of us. How you riding the Benz in a Tonka truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I gon'
And before y'all say anything, yes, I love to have extra lace on there. I'd rather to save the lace than to cut the lace off. That's just me. It doesn't get in the way of my install, so to each his own. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and I'm going to cut off the sides and cut my ear flaps. After cutting my ear flaps, it's time to go in with my needle thread and sew the frontal down, starting with the right side and work my way to the left. Alright, so right here what you see me doing is putting her hair back, I'm going in with some extra glue, and I'm going to go in and like secure the perimeter of the frontal and make sure I have nothing left unstuck, nothing left unmelted. I want to make sure I get all the lace melted. Now I'm going in with my cream foundation yes again to make sure I freshen it up. And here's a little tip that I've learned from someone. I like to use my Sebastian shapers for the melt. Okay, after tying her lace down, I went in and put in 2 braids to make sure I get the hair out of my way so I can start the sewing process. And I'm going in with, what's this, 7 bundles of hair right now for this water wave look.
Yes, all you gotta do is say yes.
Okay, so now let's get to sewing. I'm sewing from right to left, and I'm using the flip over method, which means I will not be cutting the rest of the hair. I like to keep my hair, and I love to, make sure nothing is shedding once I finish my install. When I sew, I always start underneath my foundation. I love it just in case my client want to flip it over or put it up in a bun. And look at that, them tracks not going anywhere. You make me so Alright, now as I get closer up to the top, I begin to start sewing in a U shape, like a horseshoe kinda. Alright, so now it's time to remove the band. And let me tell you, baby, look at that lace. It is melted. Melted, honey. Melted.
Man, I swear that she can get it. Say if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high. Hands up high. Hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark perfume. Go.
Now, you see me going in and making some sideburns. I forgot to press record for the other side, but I did get this side, so same thing on the other side,
Poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you.
Now, you see me plucking out her sideburns. Nobody's sideburns are thick. Don't get picky on over here, okay? We make sure we keep that as thin and natural as possible.
night, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and your girl in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party.
Alright, so now you see me going in using my slick stick and the high comb to make sure I mold and I get her hair like as high as I can for this flip over method. I'm sorry, I'm stumbling over my words.
You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in the song. Alright. You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it. And I know you what you want. Oh, what it got this, put it in.
And you see me go in and touch up her lace, you know, just again with the foundation. Now you see me spraying her. I'm just spraying her with water and like a dime drop size of conditioner in there to get the hair wet. And I'm going in with my Mael Curl Defining Mousse. I love this. This mousse does me no wrong.
Can you get the heck out? I need rest now. Got me bummed out. You so baby, baby, baby. Thousand on my empty mindset. I should've kept from losing the best of me. I worry that I wasted the best of me. Oh, yeah, baby, you don't care. Sometimes when I be a nuisance, it's just urgent. Tryna make some little change, got me a war in my mind. Gotta let go of weight, think he was holding me to the right.
Alright, and now I'm going in with my diffuser. Just want to kind of get the hair a little fluffy, you know, bring a little volume to the curls.
Still wanna try to believe in good days are always inside. To be in my mind, help me on my feet.
And bam, my girl looking good, man. Hey, if y'all like this look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Alright, love y'all. Peace.
Yeah, so I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy.